In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Microsoft 365 apps using PowerPoint. This simple process keeps your apps secure, stable, and packed with the latest features, and it works the same way across most Microsoft 365 desktop apps. First, start by opening any Microsoft 365 app. I'll use PowerPoint, but you can follow along in Word, Excel, or Outlook as well. Before you begin, save your work and close any important documents. Updates sometimes require closing and reopening apps, and saving first helps you avoid losing changes. It's also a good idea to stay connected to the internet and, if you're on a laptop, plug in your charger so the update isn't interrupted. Once PowerPoint is open, head to the Account area. You'll typically find it by going to the File menu and selecting Account from the list on the left. This is the place where you can see your subscription information, product details, and, most importantly for today, the update controls. On the Account page, look for the section labeled Office Updates or something similar, and click on Update Options. This opens a small menu that controls how your apps receive updates. From that menu, choose Update Now. PowerPoint will immediately check for the latest updates, download them, and start installing. If it needs to close any Microsoft 365 apps to continue, it will prompt you first. Go ahead and allow it when you're ready. While the update runs, avoid opening new Office files. Let the process finish so it can apply everything correctly. Depending on your internet speed and how large the update is, this may take a few minutes. If you see a message saying you're up to date, that means you already have the latest version, and you're good to go. A quick note: the layout may look slightly different depending on your version, but the Account area and Update Options button are usually in the same spot. If Update Options is missing or grayed out, your device may be managed by an organization that controls updates for you. In that case, you may simply see that updates are handled automatically. And that's all there is to it. Open any Microsoft 365 app, go to the Account page, click Update Options, and select Update Now. Keeping your apps updated ensures better performance, fixes bugs, and adds new features as soon as they're available. Try this in PowerPoint, and then repeat in any other Microsoft 365 app if you'd like to double-check. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a smoother, more secure Microsoft 365 experience.